Bueno, mi gente, aquí estamos, Eliseo aquí. Estamos tratando de limpiar el apartamento, reparar cosas, pintar, un montón de cosas. Y lo que pasó fue que yo había quitado el compactador de basura que había aquí en la cocina y puse un bote de basura, un zafacón como decimos en Puerto Rico, y no se ve muy bien. El real estate me dijo que le pusiera algo, una puerta o algo, porque se ve, déjame enseñarle. Pero antes de enseñarle, mandé a pedir una neverita de vinos que creo que cabe ahí, así es que este es el video de antes y después. Déjenme enseñarle ahora cómo se ve. So we got the fridge right here. I don't like unboxing videos, so I took the box out. Now it's gonna have to go into this hole. Let me show you. It should go in really tight. So it has to be a slow process. I gotta connect it. So I like to read manuals, and the first thing which I think is very important is that they recommend that you don't. Now the first thing is like, congratulations, you get a new appliance, and also thank you for purchasing with us. Okay, that's not important. The thing is, after the new appliance arrived, please leave it alone for about 24 hours before connecting to power. So I don't want to connect it right now. It's gonna take me 24 hours. So it's 8 o'clock, but it got here at about 7. So for you it's gonna be like 2 seconds, but for me it's gonna be 24 hours. That something happens with the gas that is in the compressor, that it needs to be liquid, and when it gets shaken by the truck and the transportation, it gets a little bit like some of it goes airborne, or I don't know what it is. Don't ask me. If you want, ask Lambo. But this is the Lambo 15-inch, 34 something high, and it's designed to be on. You can have it as a standalone unit, or you can also have it as under the cabinet. So it's finished. It's nice finish. So you can put it by your couch or something if you want, in the living room, or in the kitchen if you have a big kitchen. But I just had that big hole that I have to fill, because otherwise the apartment is gonna look like at the beginning of the video with the trash can there, and we have to sell the apartment. So it's gonna be like 2 seconds, and I'm gonna connect it and push it in. So I'll see you then. Okay, so I pushed it in. It's okay. You can have your wine bottles there. Just scratching a little bit with the rubber here. But anyway, that's fine. The other thing is that because of this angle here, the dishwasher does not open all the way. Alright, so I had to remove this. But at least I moved this a little bit. I didn't have to take it off. I just moved the seal, and there was a screw and I just took them out. And what I did is I put this cabinet knobs. Cost me like $2 each. And now we have a better, you know, now I can have the dishwasher open normal, and that's it. So if you have that problem, hope you can solve it with this video. And this you can save, and if you want to take the fridge out of there, put it as a freestanding or whatever you want, you can put it back. Okay, see you. So there you go. That's how you switch from a stupid trash compactor to a nice modern wine chiller or wine cooler. And what I'm doing is I'm putting only the red wine here at like at 60 degrees. And if you have white wine, I just stick it in the regular fridge because that's more like a chilled, you know. So I hope you got something out of this. See you on the next one. The next one is gonna be about music. This one was just a little something about, you know, because we're moving and I'm trying to fix everything so it looks nice and we can sell the place. So see you next time.